Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video we shall see how to hide photographs or pictures in Photos app of iPhone. So I'm just going to open my Photos app, and then you just have to open the folder in which you are saving the photographs which you want to hide. Let's say I want to hide some photographs, so I'll just click on select, and then I'll just select those pictures, and then on the right bottom corner you can see this three dot menu. You can click on it or tap on it, and then just tap on hide, and then it's going to ask these photos will be hidden but can be found in the hidden album. You can choose to show or hide the hidden album in settings, so you can just tap on hide two photographs or hide two photos, and those two photos will be hidden. Now if you have to check those hidden photos, then you can just come back to the main screen of the Photos app, and then just keep scrolling to the bottom, and then you'll find one option as hidden. If you tap on it, it's going to need your face to open if you are using Face ID, or it's going to ask for your fingerprint if you are using Touch ID. And then from here you can see the photo that I have selected as hidden. Now in case if you are not able to find this hidden option here, then you have to open your settings, and in the settings you have to keep scrolling till you find your photos. You have to tap on it, and then here you'll find that we have this option as show hidden album. Now if this option is off like this, then you cannot find the hidden album in the Photos app. So you will have to turn it on so that you can see the pictures or the photos that you're hiding. But even if it is off, you can hide the photos directly, but you will not be able to see them unless show hidden album is ticked on. Also you can turn on this use Face ID, so that it's going to ask for your Face ID every time you want to view the hidden or the deleted pictures. So it's a kind of a security feature. And let me just turn off this show hidden album, and let's open the Photos app. I'll scroll to the bottom, and you can see we do not have that option of hidden folder. That means we cannot see the hidden pictures if we have turned it off from the settings. So anyways, I hope you are able to learn how to hide your pictures or your photographs or videos, and how to view them, and also how to turn off the hidden folder so that no one can check it out. So if you like the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.